To say, oh my Ghana, and a my dikanya, what did to me crata, but more man for no to me a tra a dear, ne quansua, a diaco Europe, my mo, Sage Media, as forest law enforcement, governance and trade scheme, no asibi, no asantiment moon, and home, and comobo, and no unconyasie, akoswa, yamani boni, abuano, edeba.
Wa, a forestry commission, and in painful be a fee European Union, a cabomo, a bapro, a bobri. Kwa bretunum ewa santimantem ha sei ora John Alote eyo panyinipa wada forestry commission ano wo kire ne ntia omutu saa anamo no.
Basic principle ne say the EU person we sure say we be a fi Ghana forest aba EU no, it is not illegal. Say nyese obi afa a tree no akotwedua ye man plants ye man hwe no akotwedua no na wa export aba EU enti on person we sure say bia bia be ba EU no na afa kwan paso enti say document bia na say license bia say oji from forestry commission na waje bibia say call parliament na approve why sure say wanya approval
wo enfem pimienu ani du nwotwe ehwehwemu afa kwa bretu ho eba abonten no na aba beto dwa say Ghana ana yakwa ebretu no yese no ntentem so pa enam ekwan bone a amanfo fa so ebunua enne efoma gudi a wo momfa mra kwan so etuonti European Union anamu senior o Ghana ha sei Ichard Razali ediatu edwa say
I've seen a very solid system of traceability which is based on the identification of even individual trees identified in specific plots, and I have to say this is quite a solid system. We have a common interest with Ghana to work together to ensure a suitable and more sustainable exploitation of the forest, and I'm sure we will reach something which is agreeable to everyone.
And what wapanyine kwantenafo a wada Logs and Lumber Limited ano ora Avedis Jegalian echirima.
Ghana, we have good name because Ghana is a country where, as I said, we have I think 4 companies in Ghana whose products are certified. They come from legal sources. And today you cannot sell in Europe or anywhere in the world, except maybe Middle East and China, but mostly in Europe, US, they need certified, even Middle East, they need certified timber.